Welcome to Chris's Caribbean Delights, and it's an eclectic cooking channel. And today, I'm going to be doing a simple and delicious green juice. If you're new to green juices, this would be a good place to start. It's a few simple ingredients, and we add some fruit to give it some flavor. Simple as that. So let's go to those ingredients. So here we are. The first ingredient we'll look at is kale. You need one bunch of kale for this recipe. One bunch of kale. Pineapple. You need one small pineapple. One small pineapple will do it. Also, we have cucumbers. I'm using 4 cucumbers, which I have sliced in an elongated shape, so that it can fit into the juicer. I peeled it. The reason why I peeled it, because I want to juice the skin separately from the meat of the cucumber. I want to get that intense juice out of the skin. So I just peel the skin. So I'm going to juice the peel separately from the meat of the cucumber. And we talked about the pineapple. And the next ingredient is spinach. You need about 2 bundles of spinach for this recipe. About 2 bundles of nice green spinach. And I had some celery sticks. I just threw those in there. Also, you need 4 lemons. You need 4 lemons here, which I cut in wedges, and you need some ginger, which I have maybe about it's about 1.5 inch piece, a nice sensible piece of ginger there. Also, I'm going to add some sea moss. I have some sea moss gel, which I made a few days ago. I'm going to add some sea moss gel into that. That's optional. You can add whatever vitamins or whatever you want to put in there. But I'm going to add some sea moss gel into my green juice. So let's go to the juicer. I'm using my Huron. Let's go to the juicer and let's get it started. So now that my Huron is prepped and ready to go, we'll just go there and start juicing. So here we are. Let's start juicing. Let's turn the motor on here. So we're doing our kale first. And if you find it necessary to cut the kale, you can just go ahead and cut it. So that's the beautiful green juice from the kale. Kale being such a dry vegetable, you wouldn't expect to get all this juice out of it. But there is juice in kale. I've just finished my kale. I for that healthy green juice that's coming out of there. That's the kale juice. So I went ahead and did some of my spinach. The spinach is taking a little extra time because I have to fold them in little bundles and to feed it to the juicer. So it's taking a little time. So just have to roll it into little bundles. Okay, we got some froth coming out there. Let's let out some of our awesome green spinach juice. Now I'm going to feed my cucumbers in there. Last of my cucumbers. Now, as I told you, I peeled the cucumbers. I'm going to do the skin separately. So let's put the skin in there. Just get that intensely green juice out of the skin. It's filling up, so we just have to empty. That intensely green juice and coming out of the skin. It's not a lot, but it's really potent. Now we'll do our flavors. The pineapple, the lemon. Let's go for the pineapple. And this is going to give our juice some lovely flavor. Yeah. Flavor enhancers. You're doing a fine job. All by itself. for lemons. Let's get our lemons in there. We just pause for a minute. I have to find another container. And this amount of juice would last for maybe, you can divide it, you can make like 4 or 5 days of it. Just put it in ball jars or little containers. You can just store them in ball jars or little containers that you can have like a 16-ounce serving per day, or an 8-ounce serving per day, depending on how much you like to drink your green juice. But it's just like 1 shot per day, 8 ounces or 16 ounces, and you're good. You get your vitamins, you get your antioxidants, and you get everything in there. So let's continue, and I'll just get some ball jars. We still have to combine the entire mixture here, and you know, and then give it a, you know, taste it for flavor. But we have to combine it. So we're doing our lemons now. Then we're gonna get our ginger in there. Just cutting the lemons a little smaller so that they can easily go through. Get our ginger in there. And we're done. I just like to let the juicer run for a little extra time, so whatever pulp is in there is still getting masticated and crushed, and whatever juice is left in there can come out. It's all done. Simple green juice. Now we're going to combine all the juices and move ahead with our tasting. Okay, well, I found a large container that I can do my mixing in. So we'll just pour all the juices in here. And here's my sea moss gel. I'm just going to put maybe about a half a cup for that amount of juice. And obviously just give it a whisk. Cheers. And you would want to use your juice at its freshest point. It would last in the refrigerator for about 72 hours and still be fresh. If you're going to use it beyond that, you can, if you can't use all of it, just freeze it. Put it in the freezer and then you thaw it out, take it out the night before and thaw it. And it's going to be It'd be great. Cheers. Awesome. That's my simple green juice. It's good for beginners. If you're beginning the green juice era, that would be a very good juice to start with. Very few ingredients. You just blend them all up, give it some flavor with the pineapple and the lemons, and you're good to go. So once again, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next clip.